Hello, welcome to today's mathematics class. So let us look at this question from integration. So we want to evaluate this. So you can see we're having x, the integral of x exponent, this exponent, x squared, okay, the x. So we can approach this question in two ways, but let me give you the easiest one, because sometimes you may decide to use integration by parts, but I don't want to do that. I can easily substitute it, because when I differentiate this x squared here, I'm going to have x in my result. So at that time, I can be able to get rid of this. So this is our constraint here. We need to get rid of this, okay? So we can say let u equal to x squared. Now we're going to differentiate with respect to x now. We then have du dx equal to, then take away, multiply it, then take away 1, it gives us what, 2x. So we want to make the x the subject of the formula, so we can come and replace it here, right? So doing that, if I cross multiply, I'm going to have 2x dx equal to du. So now let us divide both sides by 2x, so we'll be left with what, dx equal to du all over our 2x. Now we are going to plug in the x and u into this our original integral problem. So our integral is now given to us as x, then exponent u, because x squared is u. Then our dx now will be replaced by du, that is du over what, 2x. Now we can factor out this 1 over 2, because this one is a fraction here. We can take out 1 over 2. Then we have x exponent u du over x now, because x will be left here. So this x here, we cancel this x. So we have 1 over 2, the integral of exponent u, then du. So we know that there is standard integral for this, when we have exponent to a number, so, or to a value, which means we now have what, 1 over 2, then exponent u plus c. Don't forget the integral of exponent x, the x. You see the setting as exponent what, x plus c. So that is it. So we apply that here. So it remains the same. So we always introduce constants. And remember that our u is not just that. Our u is what, x squared. So we are going to bring it back. So our final answer becomes 1 over 2 exponent x squared plus c. So this is the solution to this integral problem. I hope this solution is very, very interesting. Help us to share this post, and also do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Physics and Mathematics Lovers. Bye.